Oh my gosh, good morning. Ooh, this is comfortable. Happy Labor Day, even though you're probably watching this and it's not Labor Day anymore. It's like 3 weeks after Labor Day, but I don't care. It's Labor Day for me. So what does that mean? It means it's the first day off of school since school started. For some of you, you might not have started school yet, but can't really, because it's Labor Day, vlogging of course. What else would I be doing? A lot of other things probably, but we're vlogging today. Just thought it would be fun to do a little teen girl vlog because... Okay, but today, what do we have planned? Not much, really. Let's see, I'm going to go out with my best friend Isabella. Oh my gosh, why is my eye so red? And we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll just wait and see. So let's get on with the day. Makeup routine. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup on before we go. I recently kind of changed up my whole makeup routine because I just wasn't feeling what I was doing before. And I kind of realized that although it worked, it wasn't the best thing ever. So I'm gonna use the Sephora brush thing with the other little thing on top. Beauty Guru. Use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, that thing, in dark brown. You know what's funny? There was an article on Visco Girls in the New York Times paper today. And yes, we still get the real hardcover newspaper. We don't just look at our tablets and Kindles and other stuff for the news. We get the actual paper, but regardless, there's an article about Visco Girls in the New York Times. What else is new today? Why does this take so long? Like, I feel like if I were good at this, this would take 30 seconds, but no. You know what's annoying? It's Labor Day weekend, September 2nd, and it's 97 degrees out. And no, I don't live in, what's somewhere hot? Florida. Sometimes it can snow in September where I live right now. So the fact that it's 97 is... It's a little bit rude, it's a little bit disrespectful, but it just means that climate change is real. So I saw that Ready or Not movie where there's like this bride is like, I don't even know how to describe it. Basically it turns into like this murderous game of hide and go seek, and it's like a dark comedy slash horror movie. It was good. It was a little bit funny and it also was a little bit like gory, but it was rated R, so you know, to see an R-rated movie, you have to be, I think, it is 17, and I'm 17, obviously. I didn't try to sneak into a movie. That just doesn't make sense. But anyway, I brought my ID, but then Isabella forgot hers, so then the guy at the place was like, yo, you can't come in without an ID. Which makes sense, because, like, you don't want to, like, accidentally have, like, what the heck just happened? You don't want to have, like, a bunch of random little kids running around a movie that's R. But anyway, she forgot her ID, but we were watching the movie after our school's football game. So we were wearing our overalls, and yes, we wore the senior overalls to the movie theater. So then they were like, oh, you're seniors, so that means you're 17. And then she didn't have to go back out to the car to get her driver's license. And that was the worst story ever, but I don't care. On my like bulletin board that you can't see because the camera's like leaning against it, I have movie tickets, and here are the movies that I've seen. Beauty and the Beast, Fate of the Furious. I fell asleep during that. Before I Fall, Everything. The Emoji Movie, and Flatliners. They took the Emoji Movie off of Netflix. Well, we're done with that. See, there's the Visco Girl article. Told y'all so. So I guess it's lunchtime now. Oh my gosh, I'm exhausted. I don't really know why, because I haven't done that much today, but I feel like I'm gonna like fall asleep if I don't exercise or get something that has caffeine in it. So that's exactly what we're doing. It's going to Dunkin' Donuts, or I guess they've rebranded themselves as Dunkin'. So we're gonna go there, get some caffeine to pick me up, because I need to have energy so I can get my math stuff and all my other homework done. Why does the ring keep getting caught in my hair? That's so annoying. Okay, so we got the coffee and now
I can actually function.
that sounds so like obnoxious. I'm gonna rephrase that. Now I have what I need to be most productive. That sounds slightly less obnoxious and annoying. So cool. Let's go do some homework. Honestly, like I feel like if people actually vlogged what they did, like high schoolers and college students especially, then it would just be like them sitting at their desk doing 5 hours of homework, getting up like once every 3 hours just to go to the bathroom, and then that would be it. And that's what I'm gonna go do. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this random vlog. Don't know what it was, don't really care, but I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully soon. Hopefully sooner than this one. Yeah. Okay, bye.